Welcome to a world where simple ideas turn into powerful results. In this video, we explore 20 mind-blowing tools that can change how you work, create, and think, opening the door to smarter and more creative possibilities. Straight Grinder. The Bosch Straight Grinder is a compact yet powerful tool designed for precise metalworking. With adjustable speed for enhanced control, a reliable 550-watt motor, and built-in restart protection, it delivers efficient performance with added safety. Multitool. This Bosch Multitool delivers powerful, smooth performance in a slim, low-vibration design, offering fast accessory changes and precise control for efficient work across demanding applications. Three-jaw pliers. The three-jaw pliers are a durable, ergonomic tool designed for easy installation of cable glands and expandable rubber components, offering lightweight handling, quick jaw changes, and comfortable use for both right and left-handed users. Cordless Circular Saw. This cordless circular saw combines torque-boosted power with precision and safety, featuring a brushless motor, multi-brand guide rail compatibility, and multi-volt freedom for clean, confident cuts anywhere. SafeClamp. SafeClamp is a fast, secure ladder restraint system with a one-touch clamp that locks ladders up to 5 times quicker than traditional solutions. Built from tough composite materials, it safely secures up to 3 ladder sections with proven, tested reliability. Concrete nailer. This 18-volt brushless concrete nailer delivers powerful, quiet fastening into dense concrete, combining consistent high-impact energy with a slim design and precise control for fast, reliable plasterboard installation. Orbital cutting machine. This lightweight orbital cutting machine delivers high-precision, seamless cuts without deforming tubes, making it ideal for thin-walled materials. Easy to handle at just 15 kilograms, it offers accurate perpendicular cutting across a wide diameter range, perfectly suited for workshops and on-site use. Manual edge banding machine. This manual edge banding machine is a compact, user-friendly solution for clean and precise edge finishing on MDF, plywood, and other wood panels, delivering smooth, consistent, and professional results. HAZET Sabre Saw. The HAZET Sabre Saw is a compact, lightweight pneumatic tool for precise cutting of sheet steel and aluminum, offering high speed, low vibration, and smooth, controlled performance for detailed workshop work. Brake piston reset pliers. Brake piston reset pliers allow safe and effortless resetting of hydraulic disc brake pistons on bicycles, using a toggle lever mechanism to ensure smooth, parallel movement without damaging the pistons. Thread repair tool. The power-built universal external thread repair tool quickly restores damaged SAE and metric threads, handling both fine and coarse pitches with a durable, user-friendly design for efficient repairs. Semicon scoring tool. This compact, user-friendly semicon scoring tool delivers precise, damage-free scoring on medium-voltage cables from 5 to 35 kilovolts. With adjustable blade depth and support for longitudinal, spiral, and square cuts, it offers accurate, versatile performance across a wide range of cable sizes. CastoTig. CastoTig is a compact, energy-efficient TIG welder with intuitive touch controls, advanced ignition options, and integrated pulse functions, delivering precise and reliable results for professional welding applications. Two-in-one digital laser tape measure. This 2-in-1 digital laser tape measure combines long-range laser accuracy up to 40 meters with a durable 5-meter auto-lock tape for everyday measuring. Featuring a clear backlit display and easy unit switching, it delivers fast, precise measurements for DIY, woodworking, and construction tasks. DYNELLO Clip. The DYNELLO Clip is a simple and effective strap clamp that keeps coiled lashing straps neatly secured during storage and transport. Attached near the metal hook, it prevents straps from unwinding and tangling, ensuring organized and hassle-free handling. Huck Rivet Gun. The Huck Rivet Gun delivers fast, effortless riveting at the push of a button, completing the full stroke automatically. Powered by a durable, brushless motor, it handles aluminum, steel, and stainless steel fasteners with a built-in mandrel collector for a cleaner, safer worksite. Caulking Gun. This cordless caulking gun delivers strong, smooth application of high-viscosity caulk and adhesives, featuring adjustable speed control, anti-drip function, and durable construction for clean, precise, professional results. Angle Grinder Carving Set. The Vinon Tools Angle Grinder Carving Set is a compact cordless tool designed for precise carving, grinding, and detailing, offering easy control and portability, along with versatile performance for various materials in DIY and workshop tasks. Collaring Machine. This cordless collaring machine is a low-noise, professional solution for forming precise T-elbows directly on the main pipe. By eliminating pipe cutting and prefabricated T-connectors, it reduces costs, improves quality, minimizes leak risks, and boosts productivity on site. Heavy-duty wheel trolley. This heavy-duty wheel trolley is designed for safe and efficient wheel handling, featuring a rotating mechanism for precise refitting. With improved maneuverability, an ergonomic pump handle, and adjustable jaws, it ensures controlled, safe, and effortless operation. That wraps up our list of mind-blowing tools. Each one has the potential to change how you work, create, and think when used the right way. Pick what fits your goals, put it into action, and start building a smarter, more powerful workflow today.